Già stai in ripresa. Già stai in ripresa, tanto dopo lo tagli, no?
Sai, mi devi via bene la definizione, capito?
Vai.
Bene, la devi via. Avvicinate pure, dai, sei in cameraman.
Tu non ti preoccupare.
Se non mette per il cavalletto, capito?
Tu non ti stai preoccupare, vai. Inizia.
Aspetta, Perché questo videomessaggio è per tutti quei cazzati che dicono che se te pigli bombe la pelle non ti diventa fina. Tutte cazzate, capito? Poi faccio vedere come dovete fare addominali.
Not Black Wall Street. The game. Beach Boy. Charlie Baltimore. Rockstar. We are the Black Gang. Free shine. Motherfucker. On the front of the door. On the cover of the source you see. The whole world know. Every nigga in the hood know. Simply told the NYPD. Why you snitch on me and tell them that DJ Good, all the blind rules know. Even my crib niggas know. Dear God, let me cleanse my soul. Throw away all the rings and the gold. Oh no, I can't do that. Do I love God? Do that, but I got a gun, so move back. I'm loco, like 5 essays sitting inside of Chevelle, riding no locos. I'm a renegade, ride with the fofo, better gang bang all my life, fuck a popo. I ain't never been a cocky kid, know they can kill me if they shot pocket big. But I let my bandana hang in the city of angels, we gang bang. I move that chronic and yayo, way before I met 50 banks, fucking yayo. Ask Eminem, even Dr. Dre know. I put Wonderland skin in the rainbow. Used to push that rock like J-Ho. You better lay low with an AK blow. I get wings in a halo, run to the hood and tell them I'm the nigga they gotta pray for. Yeah. I said run to the hood and tell them I'm the nigga they gotta pray for. Lay low and stay low. Front of the door. On the cover of the source you see. The whole world know. Every nigga in the hood know. Simply told the NYPD. Why you snitch on me and tell them that? All the blind rules know. Even my crib niggas know. Come on, y'all. Yeah. I'm a gangbanger, don't get it fucked up. You ain't never bang, you ain't never lay shucks up. So why the fuck you gon' criticize me? I ain't the reason niggas is banging the NYC, making bullshit threats on the MIC. I don't wake up in cold sweats when I sleep. I live comfortably with a red rag tied around a 4-5 in case niggas come for me. Man, I started my own company. I don't know what the fuck niggas want from me except something for free before the documentary drop. You bitch niggas wasn't bumping me. And to some degree, I gotta keep that 4-5 under me. I don't run from beef, it's either cock back squeeze or be underneath, cause I'm from the street.
Allora, oggi va data la dimostrazione che quelle che girano sono tutte chiacchiere, no? Quindi, che cazzo aspettate allenate, dico io? Giusto, da?
Giusto.
Che cazzo aspettano? Giusto, Giusto. Capito come? Noi se spacchiamo il culo tutto il giorno, dalla mattina alla sera, no? Fate il cazzo del piacere, capito? Fate il cazzo del piacere.